How to buy stocks on interactive brokers. First things first is you have to open an account, provide information, and then fund your account. Now, the one that is appearing on your screen right now is a demo account. So the very first thing that you want to do if you're using the Interactive Brokers application is just simply hit on two arrows from your phone. Now you will be seeing options such as quantity, order type, time in force, and other options. We just have to change it for the number of shares or the dollar amount you want to invest from the quantity field. Now, on order type, you just choose from different order types such as market, order, or execute at the current best value price, or limit order into executing only at your specified price or better. Now, time in force is to specify how long your order should remain active, such as day or good until canceled. Now, all you have to do is to select on the specific crypto where you would like to buy, and then just simply preview and submit. And that's how you buy stocks on interactive brokers.